Farmer. A farmer works on a farm. A farmer grows food like wheat, fruits, and vegetables and takes care of animals like cattle and chicken. In this picture, we see a farmer. He is looking at the wheat in his field. There is a red barn behind him. Factory. A factory is a building where things are made. Some factories prepare and package food that people eat. In this factory, a worker is preparing pasta. The pasta is then packaged, boxed, and transported to a grocery store. Buy. When you buy an item, you pay money to get it. Many people buy food at a grocery store. This woman uses money to buy the things that she needs at a store. What do you like to buy when you go to the store?